Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete relationships in Microsoft Access. This is a useful skill when you need to restructure your database or remove connections between tables that are no longer needed. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, start by opening your Microsoft Access app on your computer. Once it launches, you'll need to load the database that contains the relationships you want to modify. Simply navigate to your database file and open it. This gives you access to all the tables and relationships currently stored in that particular database. Once the software has fully loaded along with your data, you're ready to begin the process of deleting relationships. Look toward the top of your screen where you'll find several tabs. Click on the Table tab, which is typically located in the main ribbon area. This tab houses all the tools related to managing your database tables and their connections. From the Table tab, locate the Relationships button and click on it. This is a crucial step because it opens up a visual representation of all the active database relationships you currently have under your Microsoft Access database. You'll see a diagram showing your tables and the connector lines that represent the relationships between them. This visual layout makes it much easier to understand how your tables are linked together. Now, here's where the process becomes pretty straightforward. Look for the connector line between the tables whose relationship you want to remove. These lines are visual indicators showing how one table relates to another. Once you've identified the specific relationship you want to delete, right-click directly on that connector line. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, you'll see an option to delete. Click on it to remove the relationship between those tables. This action severs the connection without affecting the actual data stored in either table. It simply removes the structural link that was binding them together. If you need to delete multiple relationships, just repeat this process for each connector line you want to remove. And that's it. You've successfully deleted relationships in Microsoft Access, giving you full control over how your database tables interact with each other. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.